Yeah.
Get off the freezer.
Ow!
What's wrong with you?
Oh. My neck is stiff. I can't move.
What? You were just moving it.
I feel like it's stuck. Dosha can't crack it. Oh my god.
All right,
Oh my god.
I don't know what I'm doing, so.
Oh!
Oh my god, wait, let me see. Oh my god, let me call mom.
Oh my god. Oh my god, can you crack it again?
No.
I'm gonna crack it.
Mom.
Crack it.
Accidentally. Because Mina, she told me to crack her neck and I accidentally stop moving.
Oh.
Let me see. Because she accidentally cracked her neck. And her neck stiff.
It's not still the way. Oh! Oh my god.
Let me see. No. No, because she was like her neck.
I can't crack it.
No.
Oh.
She asked me to crack her neck, and then I didn't even turn it that hard, and then it was cracked.
Oh my god.
Alright. She said she's gonna call the ambulance. Just sit down. Go sit down. What you keep standing up for? Come on, go sit down. Oh my god. Alright, that's you then. With your neck hurting. Open your mouth. Really? Ew! You still. Why would you do that? That's not it. Wow, really?
Hurry up and call mama.
Let me call her back. You play too damn. You play too much. Hello.
Oh my god, guys, I'll be that.
Mom. Let me see. Wow. That's not even funny though. Ew, stop Girl, that's nasty as fuck. Stop touching me.
Okay, guys. How do you think that prank went? Hold on, let me put the count down. I think it went really well. I know she was mad, guys. Let's go see how mad she is. Dosha, you big mad or small mad? Aaron, say Mina, gang, 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 gang. We did that.
That's not even funny.
You know it's funny. So, how you guys like that prank? Told you I'm gonna be doing pranks in this house. Pranking game. Bye. See you next time.